Hey, greetings from Mexico City, and this is my new, although temporary setup. 2 weeks ago I made a video about the upcoming next generation iPad Pro. Hopefully, if predictions are correct, with mini LED screen and in the first half of the year. Just ask Ming Chi Kuo. But I also mentioned possible release of a third generation Apple Pencil and couple of upgrades. However, there is way more information about it than I shared with you. Obviously, it doesn't mean that everything I will talk about will land with its next iteration. Some predictions and patents originate even before the Apple Pencil 2nd Gen. Question for you, do you guys own the first or second generation Apple Pencil? And please, if you do, share your experiences in the comment section below. Now the intro and let's go. Hi guys and welcome to Digital Marketing's channel. My name is Marco and this is your weekly fix of tech news, leaks, rumors and opinions. Everything about Apple and their competitors. If you're fond of this type of content, subscribe now, leave a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to enable notifications so you don't miss the next video. I've already briefly pointed out we may have two color variants of Apple Pencil, standard white and the new one with black color. Although Apple has a weird approach with which products they use colors, this should not come as a surprise. Apple's Magic Mouse comes in two colors as well, black and white. iPad Pro too, silver and space gray. Maybe in the future we may expect black AirPods. There is no pattern, just a pure guessing. Allegedly it's been revealed that Apple Pencil will allow artists to experience sensation of real painting on the canvas, thanks to the software and advanced Apple's haptic sensors that should be integrated within Pencil. This should provide momentarily lag-free feedback. If everything goes as planned, Apple could try and cut down the latency at least 2 or 3 milliseconds. No guarantee with that. Some more exciting and early predictions, at least based on the published patents, include those like Touch Bar, microphone, camera, and even Touch ID as part of Apple Pencil. It almost sounds like a thing from James Bond movie. Well, in that case, Pencil with Touch ID would be a tool of choice for Judge Dredd. Adding mic sounds kinda crazy. I'm not gonna give any comments about it. But Touch Bar can be a real useful thing. It could allow programmable interface, which can be changed and adjusted to every app individually. Enormous power and flexibility, that's for sure. Guys, before we move on, if you like what you've seen so far, make sure you leave a comment below, hit the thumbs up, and once again subscribe. It means a lot to me and for the future of this channel. Thank you. If I supposed to choose the most useful goodies that were shown on these patents, I would gladly go for Zoom Rolling Gesture tool. This will be used by artists mainly to quickly zoom in and zoom out the document, which will speed up their workflow. Other extremely exciting features would be unique color matching sensor. It will allow user to simply recognize a color from a palette or even real-world object and transfer it to a drawing on the iPad, at least at first. We should expect the same with the iPhone at one point. It's been a long time that online media is predicting first drawing of Apple Pencil on iPhone Pro models, and foldable one as well, but that's in the close future. Finally, we should not get surprised if Apple expands functionality of its Pencil into augmented and virtual reality. It's already happening today in one way or another. There is no doubt it will be possible. Thanks to the upcoming Apple's AR and VR devices, we should witness such use in no more than 2 or maybe 3 years the most. Manipulating content in real time and through almost realistic 3-dimensional space is the point where sci-fi meets reality. I don't know about you, but I love that idea and I'm looking forward to it as soon as possible. That was my expanded summary of the next release of Apple Pencil and all the goodies that could come with it, or with some other generations afterwards. Thank you for watching Digital Marketing's channel. My name is Marco. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.